But honestly, who could be more honest? Hey, welcome to The Honest Goddess, and today we will be reviewing this kinky curly half wig from ISEE Hair. Make sure to subscribe and turn your post notifications on. The next video will be a tutorial on this makeup look. I'm actually in love with this hair right now, and I've been getting so many compliments. And everyone thinks it's my hair. So the packaging. It was very cutesy. It was in a box that was in a shopping bag, and it came with obviously the wig, a lace band, a wig cap, extra wig band, and some info packets. So this is the wig straight out of the box. It was very fluffy, very soft, and the curls were very juicy. There was some slight shedding, but honestly, I haven't seen any more after this little that came out. Inside the wig, we have a wig band that's removable, 4 combs, and an elastic drawstring. And using all of these will have that wig on. It will not move. This is me trying the wig over my low bun. So nice, so easy. When I tell you, this hair smelled so good and it was so soft. Straight out the pack. Like, this is straight out the pack. And yes, you can see right here, but literally just have to do so. I really don't even have to leave out. I really and truly don't. If I really don't want to, I don't have to, because I can literally, where my baby hair starts, just flip it. Just flip it. And no one would know. No one would know. People would know, but you get the drift. But yeah, I can already tell this is going to blend very, very easily. You see how soft it is? Love it. Okay, I took it off, but I wanted to see how tight the drawstring went. So might as well you look with me. Oh wow. It goes tight still. I'm even scared to break it or something. Okay, I think this is the tightest it goes. It can't be this easy. What? I would have to see how the back looks, but from the front, low pony, yeah, and it's a full low pony. I don't know how the back looks, but we can work on it. We can definitely work on it. Ooh! And this hair was super quick and easy to blend. Literally, you just have a little bit of leave out, throw it on, and you're good to go. And it can be worn in so many different styles. Overall, I would say this is a great wig to have in your collection. It's easy to install, versatile, and under $150. The link will be in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.